It's Miss Kristen from the Cambria County Library. I just got a package in the mail delivered right to the library. Would you like to help me open it up and see what's inside? Okay, let's take a look. Wow, there's a whole treasure in here. A giant pack of Play-Doh? I love playing with Play-Doh. Watercolors. Do you like to paint with watercolors? I do too. What else is in here? That's a sand dollar. We can find these on the beaches. Wow. This is the biggest seashell I've ever seen. I can hear the ocean. I wonder what all of these things can be used for. Do you know what we're going to use seashells and paints and Play-Doh for? You're right. These are all going to be for crafts this summer at the library to go along with our story time. When you sign up for story time and for all of our fun classes at the library, you can come and do some crafting with us too, along with many, many other fun games and activities and some STEM things as well. Maybe my friends at home would like to come and see us in person. I'd like to say hello to Kate and Sophia and Catherine and Connor and Maeve, Ayrton, Bryce and Piper. Hi Elliot, Vincenzo and Lucio, Lucas and Addison. I hope you're having a wonderful time at home. Hi LT and Evie, Flynn and Rowan, Bryn and Blair, Judson and Piper. I hope I see you all at the library, and I hope you all have a fun summer. See you next time.